What are some common ways to evaluate RAG systems? Answer: evaluating a retrieval-augmented generation RAG system is crucial to understand its performance. To do this, we need to assess both the retrieval and generation components. For the retrieval component, we look at how accurate and relevant the retrieved documents are. This is done by using metrics such as precision and recall. Precision measures how many retrieved documents are relevant, while recall measures how many of the total relevant documents were found. For the generation component, we compare the generated text to human-written examples to gauge quality. This is done by using metrics like BLEU and Rouge. These metrics help us understand how well the generated text matches the original text. Additionally, for downstream tasks like question answering, we can use metrics like font score, precision, and recall to evaluate the overall RAG system. By using these metrics, we can get a comprehensive understanding of the RAG system's performance and identify areas for improvement.